Hey used tubes, it's another day at Dan's Tiny Garage. I'm Dan. Today we're back on the Camaro. I got the floor pan out. I had it bolted in place. I got a good fitment out of it, and I drilled from the bottom up, making marks on the floor pan so I know where to drill the other holes, because when I put the floor pan back in, I'm going to take the welder and weld from the top. So then once that's done, I will do the welds from the bottom. So it's all spot welds, and it's going to be along the bracing is what I'm going to concentrate on first, and from there we'll work the edges. I'm not concerned about the back part of the floor pan right now because there's other work that has to go on with the torque box where the leaf spring comes up and bolts into the car, and then the front part, the toe board, that might need some work on the car side of this project. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill some holes here, and we'll see about getting it put back in and get some spot welds done. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Alright, let's see how we doing here. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, that's good, kind of. Hey YouTubes, hope you're doing good wherever you're at, and I hope you enjoyed the content of the Camaro floor pan going in. I prepped it, drilled it, primed it, welded it, did all the things, and so it's important to get a good fitment on that. If you have a gap between what you're welding to and the floor pan, good chance you're going to blow it out when you weld it, so you'll have bigger holes than what you started out with. And so you just got to take your time with it. And you know, I don't know if this is a project you're watching my video to work on your own stuff, but it's not really, I don't really do how-to videos, but maybe you get something out of it. That would be really cool. And anyways, I gotta get over here to this computer and edit some videos and get some stuff up for you. Guys, gals, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're doing it well. Y'all take care, and yep, come back and see us now. You hear?